Hey guys, I am Rob, this little man cave on the prairie, and today we are back with the SJ. Yeah, I kind of called it a samurai in the last video, but so today, well, we got some stuff done. Got the engine out. Well, we got the engine, tranny, transfer case. If you guys remember from the last video, this was a Hyundai Pony that was stuffed into there. So we got that out. I really couldn't believe the length of that transmission, just blew my mind, but that would explain a lot. So we also got out the interior because I wanted to see, like what the metal was like and stuff. So we got a couple patches over here, but they were, well, kind of just, self-tappered in. And then we got, a little bit of rust over here. Overall, it's not bad. Like over here, these are fine. That was fiberglassed. That whole area there was fiberglass, and this one was just kind of patched for fiberglass. So, there's a little bit, and there's some fiberglass up on there. So I'm gonna have to split it up because I want to drive it for the summer. So that's why I'm kind of doing all this stuff. I want to drive it for the summer, and just with the a set of 235s or something, nothing too extravagant. I have to get my diffs done, re-geared to fit the 38s. As you can see, that's, a big difference. So I've still got, the transfer case here. I got to put the 4.24 gears into this one to get everything done, but like with the length of that tranny and the way it kind of messed everything up, you can see here I've got to get this done. So this is original, that's original, but this was just kind of cut out to fit the gear shifter. So that's I think what I'm gonna do to just make this work, because I've got the 1.6 to go into here out of the buggy. It was a 1.68 valve. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going, like, over on the buggy, I'll just cut out this entire area, the top of it, and then I'll put it in this one, make it fit, and then my spacing will be good because my four-wheel drive shifter is like back here-ish, somewhere in here for the transfer case. And I'm pretty sure that my 5-speed shifter stick is like in around here, depending on where everything, kind of matches up. So I think I'm going to do that today. I've got the buggy outside, and it's sitting on its frame, so I'm just going to pick up the body, and then I can get at everything, with the engine hoist, and pull everything. I'll take off the transfer case, and hopefully I'll just slap in the tranny and transmission, or engine and transmission, and slap them in together and see where I'm at, like what type of cutting and welding I have to do. But overall, for $1,000, guy can't go wrong with this amount of work to do to it. Like the rest of the floor is good, so like got little tiny spots like that to do, but that's nothing. But yeah, that's like, I'm not doing a bunch of how-tos yet as far as like what I'm doing and stuff. Like I said, nobody's gonna watch a video about how to change a Hyundai Pony engine and tranny to a 1.6. So once I get further along, I'll start back into the how-tos. But right now it's just kind of Johnny comes in all the time, and he uses this garage too, so I want to leave it just a roller so it can come in and out. And yeah, just kind of what we're doing as we do it. As I get stuff done, I'll show you guys what I'm doing, and then once we get into the actual build of it, then we'll start making how-tos again. And you know, like we're also doing other things. Like it's winter time here in Canada, so I had to start throwing insulation up, and it's only -8 Celsius today. I have no idea what that is in Fahrenheit, but we're on it. We'll catch you in the next one, guys, and like, subscribe, all that jazz. And yeah, wheel safe. We'll talk to you in the next one.